Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to run Arch Linux inside Windows 11 without dual booting or using a virtual machine, you're in luck. Today, I'll show you how to install Arch Linux using WSL, the Windows subsystem for Linux. It's faster and easier than you think. Let's get started. The Windows subsystem for Linux, WSL, has broadened its offerings with the official edition of Arch Linux, one of the most respected Linux distributions. Earlier this year, Arch Linux developers began discussions about creating an official WSL image, carefully considering the advantages and challenges. This initiative quickly gained momentum, with development centralized in a dedicated GitLab repository. Microsoft's interest followed, and the company agreed to update the image monthly based on this repository. On April 15th, 2025, the lead developer announced that Arch Linux had been successfully integrated into the WSL manifest. To get started, check if Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL, is installed on your system. If not, install it. Also, make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. Make sure everything M highlighting is enabled. Next, open the command prompt as administrator. To check the available distributions, run this command. As you can see, Arch Linux is now on the list. Next, run this command to install Arch Linux. Once the installation is complete, launch it from the Windows Start menu or from the command line. Before you do anything else, it's a good idea to update the system. And that's it. You now have Arch Linux running inside Windows 11 using WSL. This is perfect for developers who want Arch's flexibility without leaving Windows. If this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more Linux and tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'll use Arch WSL for. See you in the next one.